Food web. The single definition given by regarding food web means interconnecting food chain is commonly called as food web. So there are a number of food chain can be classified. Parasitic food chain, detritus food chain. The last one, animal food chain. There are a number of food chain can be classified. That food chain they happen regarding what they interconnected together. That is commonly called as food web. When access to food web, they can be classified as commonly called as ecological pyramids. So what is the meaning of ecological pyramid mean? Graphic explanations of individual population or individual numbers and biomass and energy per unit area per given time from producers to top carnivores. That is commonly called as ecological pyramid. Graphic explanations of individual number or graphic explanations of biomass or graphic explanations of energy per unit area per given time from producer to top consumers, that is commonly called as ecological pyramid. Who are first that kinds of explanation to be given is commonly called as Charles Eltonian. In the era of 1927, that's why ecological pyramid is also called Eltonian pyramids. So the pyramid can be classified as regarding what? Three types. Pyramids of number, pyramids of biomass, pyramids of energy. There are three types of regarding what the pyramids of ecological pyramids. Can I go to the first one? Pyramids of number. What are the definitions of pyramids of number mean? Graphic explanations of individual number per unit area per given a time from producer to top consumer, that is commonly called as pyramids in the number. In generally, based on the arrangement of or distribution of plant population, the pyramids can be possessed three kinds of shapes, namely upright, inverted and spindle. So there can be possess three kinds of shapes based on the arrangement of number per unit area for a given time from producer to up to top carnivores. So the pyramids in number where in upright, where is inverted, and where is regarding what is spindle shaped. So can I given that graphic representation about regarding what upright in pyramid number is commonly called as, first of all, grassland. So the grassland is upright. First of all, grasses. Second thing, grasshopper. Third thing, frog. Fourth one, snake. Fifth one, hawk. So this is level is commonly called as is upright. So pyramids of number in grassland is upright. That is the question in need part of it. The question how can we ask like this means, in grassland ecosystem pyramids of number upright, inverted and spindle shaped. So what is the answer is commonly called as is upright. Okay. It is not only grassland is regarding what upright. One more also regarding what upright is there. That's a commonly called as aquatic. Also called water. How means? Phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, small fishes, the larger fishes. So these also commonly called as what? Upright. In grassland as well as aquatic, pyramids of number is commonly called as what? Upright. What is the pyramids of number is commonly called as going to regarding what? Inverted. That like this, inverted pyramid that can be appear in regarding what? Parasitic ecosystem. Parasitic ecosystem is going to regarding what? Inverted. Parasites. Then we will be going regarding what? Herbivores. Last one regarding water tea. These kinds of situation to indicate commonly called as inverted. So pyramids of number where is inverted in the parasitic ecosystem. Pyramids of number where is regarding what? Spindle shaped. So spindle shaped where is occurring in forest ecosystem. How the graphic representation commonly called as? Herbivores, hawk, tree. These kinds of events that can occur in this is commonly called as what? Spindle shaped. So the pyramids is number. So happen upright is there, inverted is there, spindle shaped is there. Among that number, what are the things it can be existing in upright is commonly called as aquatic ecosystem as well as grassland ecosystem. Which are occur regarding inverted is commonly called as parasitic ecosystem. Which are occur regarding what is spindle shaped is commonly called as forest ecosystem. So this is the ecological pyramid in number. Can I go to the next one is commonly called as ecological pyramid in biomass. Ecological pyramid in biomass. So what are the definition it given me? The graphic representations of biomass in given area in a given time from base producer to top carnivores. That's a commonly called as ecological pyramid in biomass. So ecological pyramid biomass, it is existing in both grassland as well as aquatic. Can I draw the regarding what flow chart in the grassland? First of all, producers. Second one, primary consumers. Third one, secondary consumers. Last one, top carnivores. So there is a trophic level 1, trophic level 2, trophic level 3, trophic level 4. So grassland ecosystem in ecological pyramid is commonly called as upright. But aquatic ecosystem in ecological biomass is not is upright, it's commonly called as inverted. This is commonly called as large fish, then small fish, then zooplankton, then phytoplankton. So trophic level 1, trophic level 2, trophic level 3. So ecological pyramid in biomass, grassland is upright, but upward is commonly called as inverted. The next one we are going to what? Pyramids of energy. What are the definitions commonly called as? Graphic representations of energy per unit area per given time from producer to top carnivores. That's called pyramids of energy. So the pyramids of energy I am already indicating to through regarding what 10% law. That means these are 1000 joule. These are producers. Then 100 joule is a primary consumers. 10 joule is a secondary consumers. 1 joule is a top carnivores. This is a T1, T2, T3 and T4. So for each trophic level, they can be carried only 10% of regarding what energy. Remaining 90% of energy is lost in the form of heat during respiration. These are commonly called as 10% law. As well as here now is given regarding what pyramids as energy. Okay. Yes. Can I go to the next one is commonly called as ecological succession. So what is the meaning of successions commonly called as? Gradual replacement of one type of plant community by other on a same basis. That is called ecological succession. Based on that replacement of one species by another, ecological succession can be classified as various types. The first one, primary succession. So what is the meaning of primary succession means? One type of plant community replaced by or one type of plant community grow on barren land. That barren land already no any plant community cannot grow. So what is the primary succession means? Growing of or one type of plant community grow on barren land. That land already there is no grow any kinds of plant community. That is commonly called as primary succession. Because this is first to be grown there at earlier. No one kinds of plant community it exists. That is commonly called as primary succession. What the example is commonly called as? Microbes, lichens, and the mosses. The second is called secondary succession. What a reference is commonly called as? One type of plant community is developed on destroyed the early presence of the plant community. So which way the early plant community is destroyed means by means of fire, by means of flood, by means of human activities. So what does definition mean? One type of plant community is grown on destroy the earlier presence of the plant community. Which way the early plant community can be destroyed means by means of flood, by means of fire, or it will be by means of regarding what human activities. Those three is responsible for help to develop in secondary succession. The third one, autogenic succession. That means due to environmental strategies or due to environmental changes, one type of plant community is replaced by another type of plant community. One type of plant community replaced another plant community. This is commonly called as autogenic succession. So due to environmental changes or due to environmental modification, one type of plant community is replaced by another type of plant community. What is the example community called as forest? Because the forest exists in two different kinds of plant communities. What is called? Heliophytes. Second one called Xerophytes. Because the forest is they can be existing in a large type of canopy or branches are there. The forest, the plant, it may be possessed regarding long leaves are there. The presence of long leaves, sunlight cannot penetrate in the soil. In the soil, it can be possessed herb and shrubs. Herb and shrubs, it's need to regarding what? Sunlight, but cannot be received. Why means? Because the forest they can be possessed regarding what? Large canopy. So that Heliophytes is commonly called as light-loving plants. But the plant cannot reach regarding what? Sunlight. What are called Xerophytes? Because the plants which can be possessed regarding what? Large canopy, large leaves are there. The leaves are cannot allow penetrate the sunlight in the soil. On the soil, not only present regarding what Heliophytes, as well as present regarding what Xerophytes plants are there. What are the Xerophytes? Shade-loving plants. This no need to regarding what sunlight. It's need regarding what shade. So this is a commonly called Xerophytes. What are the examples of Xerophytes? Pteridophytes and Bryophytes. This is commonly called as autogenic succession. When I go to the fourth one is called allogenic succession. What are they called? Allogenic succession is nothing but one type of plant community is replaced by another type of plant community due to some external factors. Who the external factor is commonly called as? What are they called? Soil erosion. Second one is leaching. If soil erosion takes place means the vegetation became lost. So what are they called? Leaching, washing down of regarding what upper strata. That means water soluble substance, it containing nutrients, that nutrient percolate the soil to reach in the water table. So all nutrients is going to be regarding water table means the soil cannot contain regarding water nutrients. So due to soil erosion, due to leaching, the soil cannot maintain proper nutrients. So if soil cannot present regarding nutrient means the vegetation will be affected. The fifth one is called autotrophic succession. So autotrophy is nothing but what itself. What can occur means green plants or some of the autotrophic plants like these green plants, which is dominate at the beginning of plant succession. So at the beginning of plant succession, the green plants can be dominant. That's a commonly called as autotrophic succession. The last one, heterotrophic succession. That means heterotrophic organisms like bacteria, fungi, actinomyces, those are all is the dominant at the beginning of plant succession or at the beginning of plant community is a commonly called as heterotrophic succession. So here green plants are dominate at the beginning is commonly called as autotrophic succession. Heterotrophic organisms like bacteria, fungi, actinomyces, those are all dominate at the beginning of regarding what the plant succession is commonly called as heterotrophic successions. The last one can be classified types of succession. The first one is called hydrocele. The second one is called mesocele. The third one is called xerocele. There are three types of succession. What are called hydrocele? Development of plant community at a place of plenty of water or where huge amount of water is available, there the plant community which is developing hydrocele. The very good example commonly called as the plants are found in water. What is called mesocele means the plants develop or the plant community which are developed in good moisture places as well as shady places. What is called xerocele means the beginning of plant community at dry marshes. So these are plenty of water, these are moist and shady places, these are reducing moisture or dry moisture places. Based on the dry moisture, xerocele is further classified regarding what the three types. Hydrocele, semocele, lithocele. So what do you mean commonly called as hydrocele? The plant community beginning in saline water or saline area. What is called semocele means the plant community which are developing regarding in sandy region or sandy places. The plant community which are developing in rocky regions. Those are the types of successions. Thank you.